What's up, guys? It's me, Geek. So here is the Oaxis InkCase i7. Yeah, for my iPhone 7 to read the books on the go. Jump to the unboxing table. Is it really worth it getting? Jump to the unboxing table. What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. So here it is the Onyx case for the i7. So here's my iPhone. Why I don't know call it i7. So here's my lovely iPhone. As you can see. Okay, what happened? Come here. Yeah, so let me show you from the back. Amazing, beautiful case. So from inside, okay, let me just take out. Okay, here we go. Nothing special inside, nothing much inside, and here we go. So let me turn on the case if it can, if there's some battery. Press and hold the button. Hold the power button for a second. 1 2 3. Okay, now it's on. That is a good thing, to be honest with you. Here's my spoon. So let me put inside. I heard putting inside can be a little bit tricky. Oh no, I'm damaging on this side. I'm sorry. It's not. No, it will damage all. It's not like this. Am I putting wrong? By press here, you see the glue is coming out. It's not correct way. I think like this. Okay, from here now you see it damaging. I think like this is the. Okay, I don't want to damage even my iPhone for a case. Okay, finally inside. Okay, close. In case. Okay, now let me just connect it. My in case. Current transferring data. It's okay, so already pair right. So that you can see the time. Okay, it's not touch like this. Okay, how to go back? Come on. I want to exit this menu. How I can? Come on, I want to exit it. Okay, turn it off. What the hell did I do? Okay, now it's on. Okay, reader. I wanna put some to do with my to do. For example, like buy. Oh no. Why? Oh. Okay, buy vegetables. Okay. Papare. Okay. Let me go to where. What the hell is going on? I have no idea. No ink is pair. Why the hell no ink is pair? I can see some shit behind it. What happened? Why it become like dark? The ways can be very confusing in the beginning. Okay. You know, press like twice. I have sent my image. Okay, let me send my new image. Send to InkCase. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, this look good. So this is my clock, calendar. There's no reminder. What the hell is going on? Exit or saving. Okay. Okay. Allow reminder. Okay. I don't know what to say. Now I wanna read the book, right? So as you can see, the book we are reading. Let me just go to the mobile section. So reading is fine, nothing special. It's okay, you can read. I will be making a comparison with my real reader with this one. So make sure to wait for it. So yeah, it was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.